Welcome to Brain Vision.
Okay, so we know the time period of a pendulum is equal to 2 pi times square root L over G. And when the G is constant because it's acceleration of gravity. So therefore, the time period of a pendulum is depending on the length of the string. And also we know the total energy of a system can be equal to the maximum gravitational potential energy, and also can be equal to the maximum kinetic energy, which will have U is equal to mg h max, which can be also equal to 1/2 mv max squared. H max here is the maximum height, and V max here is the maximum speed. So in the real case, the amplitude of a pendulum clock will be decreased because there will be some damping involved due to the air resistance and some friction that was generated by the gears. Okay, which means that energy will start decreasing once the damping started. So therefore, the maximum height will eventually become zero because there's some energy loss. So therefore, the gravitational potential energy will be decreased until it becomes zero. Okay, and same for the kinetic energy. The speed will start decreasing from the maximum speed until zero. Okay, so therefore, the clock can work for many days before all the energy loss and the mass fell down to the zero heights. Okay, and these are my answers for this question.